Hey everyone, let's dive into Dimensions Research Security 2.0 and see how it totally modernizes researcher vetting. So long passive dashboards. This update turns the platform into a real end-to-end workflow tool for compliance. You can instantly build review queues right here. Just pull researchers directly into active vetting streams, no screen switching needed. Need a solid audit trail? All your completed reviews are securely centralized, giving instant access to past decisions. And since one size doesn't fit all, you can easily deploy custom review configs for individuals or whole organizations. Spot those systemic risks early. The revamped reporting lets you actually visualize compliance trends across an institution over time. See a red flag in a macro report? You can push that researcher straight into an active review queue. Context is literally everything. Custom notes and color-coded tags let you share critical risk assessments right in the dashboard. No more digging through data dumps. Handy highlight flags pinpoint exact anomalies in the underlying records right away. Wrapping up, just generate a final report that bakes in all your custom notes, tags, and specific risk configurations. You know, this whole evolution was actually driven directly by user feedback and expert advice from security professionals. So the real question is, how much time could your team save with this streamlined research security workflow?